In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products on Fresha. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know to successfully list your products on this popular platform, enabling you to manage your inventory effortlessly and boost your salon or spa business. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and go to the Fresha website. Fresha is a leading platform that allows you to instantly book salons and spas nearby, and it also caters to salon owners by offering tools to manage appointments, services, and products. Once you're at the Fresha website, look for the login button. It's usually at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it, and this will take you to the login page. Now, if you haven't already, you'll need to log in. If you have Google connected with your business, you can opt to continue with Google by clicking on the Continue with Google button. The streamlined login method is quick and secure, saving you time by avoiding password entry. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Fresha dashboard. Here, locate the products section by navigating to the catalog menu and selecting products. If it's your first time adding products, you might see a Start Now button. Click on it to initialize your product listing journey. Let's add your first product. Click on the Add New Product button. This will open a form where you can input all the necessary product details. Begin by entering the product name. This is how your product will be identified, so make sure it's clear and concise. Next, move on to the product brand section. Specify the brand to give your customers more information about the product's origin. Following the branding, set up the measurement details. Click on Measure to choose the appropriate unit that applies to your product. Enter the specific amount under Amount, which indicates the quantity of the product that a customer will receive. Spread the word about your product effectively by crafting an engaging short description. Click on Short Description and add an enticing blurb that highlights your product's key features. If you've got more to say, you can provide further details under the Product Description section. You'll now specify the product category to help organize your offerings, making it easier for customers to find what they need. Next comes the pricing section. You'll input the supply price, which reflects how much it costs you to purchase the product, followed by the retail price, which is what you'll charge customers. If applicable, enter the markup and tax percentages to finalize the pricing scheme. To keep your inventory organized, you'll want to complete the SKU or stock keeping unit field, which is crucial for management purposes. Finally, ensure everything is accurately filled out, and then click on the Save button to save your product details. And there you have it. A new product is now live on Fresha. With your products now added to Fresha, you can enjoy a seamless management experience and provide your customers with smooth, hassle-free interactions. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling!